Now after the pandemic, now there's a lot of talk about theaters being dead. Like, that theater business is gone. Now everything is OTT, digital space, as we spoke about. How do you look at the future?
No, I will. I'll just make it a little. I don't want to make it very serious because I can see hardly there are film people here. So I'm just trying to say one very important thing. When my career is around 34, 35 years. So for last 35 years, my media friends or my colleagues or my industry people, I think some of the Bengali people will understand that there is always a write-up that, we say in Bengali that aar koto din or kitna din, Prasenjit or kitna din. Now somebody else has to come. So every 10 years, 7 years, I've been listening to this.
Okay.
Of course, I mean, how long Prasenjit is going to be there? After every 7, 8, 10 years, somebody has come. People said, now Prasenjit is gone. But final vote is from my audience.
Definitely.
So they are going to give me the final vote. And I'm sitting here even after 36 years. And I'm ready to serve my audience for till the day I will be alive. So it is same with cinema. I have been listening that cinema hall mein abhi aadmi nahi jayenge. Television aa gaya na. Home theater aa gaya. This is coming, that is coming. So now you can watch all super hit latest film on televisions. So people have been always saying ki theater is gone. But I am again telling it, theater has its own, it's like, going to a temple. You have to go to theater, people will watch in theaters. Maybe you will have lanes, a little different lanes. We used to easily say that this is a flop film and this is a super hit film on the theatrical business. But now if you make a small film, which is a meaningful film, and it's watched by OTT platform or by television and huge audience have watched it, so it's a super hit film. So your lanes, you will have, by lanes. These films are for theaters, these films are for television, these films are going to be for OTT. But people are going to watch films in theater. People are going to, you have to watch a Bahubali only in cinema hall.
That's our culture. Okay, with the elections round the corner, who's winning Bengal? We had the CM yesterday, we had the Home Minister yesterday.
Who is winning?
Yeah.
Then I would have become God if I would have said this. No, nobody
Take
can
a guess.
Can somebody say after watching a film this is going to film as super hit? Can anybody say that? I don't think so. If somebody can say this is a film which is going to be a super duper hit, that man or that particular person would have sat somewhere and earn money, not on crores. So
what's your gut telling you?
I have
TMC, BJP?
Well, it's difficult to say now. I think you people can say better.
No? Not going to choose one?
No, I can't choose because it's same like I told, like Prasenjit, the final voters, the audience, the public, they are going to give it the votes.
Okay, you're not giving me answer to that one, but yes. So we saw a lot of actors right now tweeting, from Akshay Kumar to Sachin Tendulkar to Lata Mangeshkar. After Rihanna's tweet on the farmers' protest, they tweeted a lot, and then that also spiraled into a controversy that are superstars being influenced basically by the government. And then the defense was that no, they are tweeting, for United India.
For the particular one language.
Yeah.
There was a one word, I think.
No,
Yeah.
India together.
Yeah.
They said we are tweeting against propaganda. So where do you stand on that? And politics and film stars or any sort of cultural icons hand in hand now?
I'm sure that everybody knows that I am like 1,000 miles away from politics. I don't know politics. I don't understand politics. But yeah, I think as a human being, as any other human being, I'm not saying, especially I would rather say that after this pandemic, we should say that we are just human beings. And my profession is to act. I'm little known. Your profession can be something else. His profession can be something else. But we are all professionals. So I don't believe now that we are star or we are superstar. Nobody is star and superstar. That God has proved. So let's take in a day. Somebody can easily show or come out with their expression. We have a social media. And that rights nobody can take. Nobody can take it from me, nobody can take it from others. So I'm sure that the people who have tweeted are quite sensible, cerebral people. So they have tweeted they came out with their own version, their own thoughts.